जिसे आप डरें, क्योंकि मैथ आप ये ना सोचे कि 10th तक मैं मैथ पास करूंगा।
Division of Agri-Econ and Statistics to deliver the welcome address.
2024. It is actually held on 22nd December every year. This year it was Sunday, so we decided to hold it on 27th. Now see, actually this day started in 2012. It was started by the late Prime Minister Manmohan Singh ji. Unfortunately, he is no more now. Well, he is best known for his as a researcher, as an economist, then as a politician.
Give some attributes to our late Prime Minister, Mr. Manmohan Singh, who was a great economist, and we had a 2-minute silence for him. And this is also important day, as he is a great economist, and today we are also celebrating the day of the birth anniversary, 137th birth anniversary of a great mathematician, that is Srinivasa Ramanujan. So as the topic says, that mathematics in daily life, and don't take maths only as a subject. Math you cannot escape. It is actually there in your daily life.
Good afternoon, Assalamu alaikum. It's my privilege, first of all, to be here on the Galaxies. Whenever I hesitate to speak or to talk or to walk, in fact, I'm an academician. I feel myself it's not so easy because I desperately was.
First of all, I must congratulate all for this wonderful snow. And actually, it was a one-day program on the Mathematics Day of our renowned mathematician from India, 137th anniversary on his birth anniversary. And wonderful time I was here, and as I myself academic level person, and it was an academic program. The aim of the program was to inculcate in the masses, or the younger kids especially, or school going and the higher academic students, the habit of learning mathematics, and just to acquisite the students the importance of the mathematics. And I believe, and I myself as student of economics and student of mathematics, I believe it's a vital subject in daily life and in the scientific areas if we go higher standards of the learning. So it was a wonderful time, and I believe this was golden opportunity that all speakers which were present and who just online mode disseminate their knowledge, and trickle down effect will be wonderful, hopefully. And such events are wonderful in the academic areas, and giving it a policy touch, it was again wonderful that I myself personally try to uh, convey to the participants that kindly in your academic fields give it a practical touch, and that's very important. And for the learners and the participants, it was a wonderful learning and wonderful time.
पहली बार आज आपको देखने को मिला, यहाँ पर आप आए पहली बार, आज कैसा फील हुआ यहाँ पर वडोदरा कॉलेज में आपको?
Vajra is a wonderful place, and I aspire if I could just do something for it. It's a wonderful campus, and one need to upgrade it infrastructure-wise, academic-wise, and research-wise. One should really, and I would love if my voice reaches some corners, that it must just be upgraded of some higher standards of research and practical requirement of the society. We as agrarian economy, and 80% of our population are directly or indirectly connected with the agriculture and allied sectors. And I believe the academics is the key which could just upgrade the life standard of the masses. And J&K is an agrarian economy still, and 80%, 75 to 80% is the contribution from the agriculture and allied sectors. The policymakers and the researchers' contribution to the academic area is only wonderful if it could just get the trickle-down effect into the society. For that reason, we definitely need to upgrade this campus. We definitely need to synergize. We definitely need to have policy tools and policy mechanisms in place to upgrade it, to beautify it, and to augment the infrastructure which is available and which needs to be further strengthened.
Thank you.